You have all heard about the 50 pips a day Forex strategy. Here I will explain this strategy in detail and then I will try to test it for about 6 months using the MetaTrader robot. The 50 pips a day Forex strategy is originally a day trading strategy that is designed to work in 1-hour timeframes and aims to profit from approximately half of a currency pair's intraday volatility. However, this strategy works with a limited number of currency pairs only. The best currency pairs for this strategy are the big ones, such as pound sterling to US dollar and euro to US dollar. Now let's state the rules of this strategy. Rule 1. Set a 1-hour candlestick to 7 AM Greenwich Mean Time on your chart. Rule 2. When the 7 AM Greenwich Mean Time 1-hour candlestick ends, you should place 2 opposing pending orders. The first pending order is a buy stop order placed 2 pips above the high, and the second is a sell stop order placed 2 pips below the low. Rule 3. The price of the currency pair will move towards one of the orders and will activate it. The moment one of the orders is executed, you must cancel the other one. Rule 4. For a buy order, you should place a stop-loss order approximately 5 to 10 pips below the low of the 7 AM Greenwich Mean Time candlestick, and a stop-loss for a sell order should be placed about 5 to 10 pips over the high of the 7 AM Greenwich Mean Time candlestick. Rule 5. Place a take-profit order of 50 pips. Close position or trailing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please write them below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Now let's write a program to test this strategy and run it. Well, the program has written a strategy. Now it's time to implement it and test it. First, for the Euro-USD currency pair. Test for a period of about 6 months. Description of program parameters. Fixed volume of positions. The start and end time of the robot, which is meaningless here. Broker time is equivalent to 7 AM Greenwich Mean Time. The expiration time of pending positions, which is considered as 1 hour by default. It can be set to 0 to remove it. You can change the location of pending positions with this parameter. Stop loss can also be changed with this parameter. If you want the open position to be closed at the end of the day, use these 2 parameters. Trailing is used in this program. These 2 parameters are related to trailing. And now run the program. once again by removing the expiration time. Now we repeat all this test for the currency pair GBP/USD. If we want to show the summary of the test results in a table, I am sharing the bot file with you. You can test the written bot in different modes. Thank you for subscribing me. Send me your ideas for testing.